Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do screen mirroring in Vivo Y56 5G or any Vivo phone. So in here, I've already on my Vivo phone, and you can start by going to the settings on your phone. And in here, sorry, let's go back. You can just go to the Bluetooth and devices menu, and you'll spot the smart mirroring option. So by clicking on this, you can mirror your phone on large screen devices such as TVs. So let's click on this. Here you need to make sure that you are both the TV and also your device are both connected to the same network. So I've already log in sorry, connect to my Wi-Fi, and in here you can choose which that you want to mirror. You can do video mirroring, you can do image mirroring, or music mirroring. So here you can just go to your TV and then connect with this device by enabling the cast or the mirroring, the screencast, and after that you can do just mirroring. So let's start. For example, I'm going to just use this mirror video. So you can just click on screen mirroring and find the available device. You can just click on the device, for example, and just it will upload the video, and if you want to disconnect, just click on disconnect at the bottom. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.